Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Remember to subscribe and share my videos. Click that notification bell. Ding ding. Alright. Well, listen. This is a short video now. And me have to express my opinion, about this Vibes Cartel thing. Because some Jamaicans are misunderstood. And some people are not even up to par with the evidence in the Vibes Cartel case. You know what I mean? Not even me myself is not up to par with 100% of the evidence in Vibes Cartel's case. But the lunacy of people in Jamaica me keep a wonder, that is why Jamaica is like this, The lunacy in Jamaica, the crave in Jamaica for crime and violence, the crave in Jamaica for people of unscrupulous characters, Brother, the bandwagonism of Jamaicans, brother, me I tell you that, it's like in Jamaica, if you are popular, like Vibes Cartel and other artists, it's like you can't commit a crime, or the police is not supposed to arrest you for committing any form of crime possible. You understand me as a people? So Jamaican people are, That's what me have to say. The lunacy. I never know say. From the day I'm born, I never see people fool so. Like Jamaican people. Fool. Being very country. Like Jamaican people. I mean, at the end of the day, a man will murder a man for Vibes Cartel. If you open your mouth and talk anything negative about Vibes Cartel, you can be killed in a man will murder you right there. So you can't express your opinion when it comes to Vibes Cartel with Vibes Cartel fans them. And like some people say, if Vibes Cartel was seen on camera murdering Lizard, the people would have been doing the same thing. So a blind and blind, a deaf then deaf. Well, like I said before, not but a bunch of lunatics. Jamaica is overwhelmed with lunacy and cheap popularity and people who will do anything for a popular person. People do anything for an entertainer, famous entertainer. It's like in Jamaica, boy, if I was famous, Jamaica would be the country I want to live in. Because once you're famous, you are always innocent of everything. It's not like in America and other countries where famous people are destroyed, are taken out, are sent to jail like Bill Cosby, attack on P. Diddy right and R. Kelly and them man. You see one certain thing come out in the public media about you in America as an entertainer. These are you beat up your woman, trust me, your career done, I saw it going in America, I saw it going in a lot of countries around the world, If you beat your woman, if you cheat on your woman a certain way, if you commit yourself a certain way, your career done. And you go in a prison. And even if you don't go to prison, your career done. While in Jamaica, it does not work that way. People want to open their eyes and see that in Jamaica, it does not work that way. Once you're famous or popular in Jamaica, it's like there's nothing that you can do to change that. It's like you cannot do nothing wrong for the Jamaican people. The lunacy. You understand me? That's the reason why Jamaican people are so easily misled, because we are bandwagonists, It's like once a man popular, he cannot do anything wrong. So, and in this case, it's like Vibes Cartel cannot do anything wrong or could not do anything wrong. Our Vibes Cartel will never be seen as a criminal. Our Vibes Cartel will never be seen as a murderer, even if he murdered Lizard 1,000,000 times on camera in front of his fans. He's innocent. Free the world boss same way. Free the world boss, we come murder other people. Free the world boss, we come chop up other people. Fine. And boast about it. And he's lionize about it. Free the world boss, we come do him organized crime thing same way. Free the world boss, we create a syndicate of murderers. a syndicate of hitmen, a syndicate of gunslingers. That is what the Jamaican people is asking for, you know. Like, what does Vybz Kartel have to offer to the Jamaican society other than his violent music, other than his music? Vybz Kartel has nothing to offer to the Jamaican people than his music. He does not offer anything positive to the ghetto youth than violence. But you see the thing about it, we are so ignorant and we are so magnetized by crime and violence, and we are so magnetized by fame and popularity that we are blinded to our own civic duty as Jamaicans. As Jamaican citizens, we are blinded by all of these things. Not like, well, look, a man is charged for murder, brethren. The man was convicted for murder, brethren. Old people are always saying, and you know, granny and great granny never wrong yet, you know. Anything when near go so. I saw. You understand me? I say, so old people say, you know, anything near go so. You understand me? The court has proven that Vybz Kartel was convicted for murder. Yes, I understand that there are technicalities in relation to jury and the text messages and so forth. But does that say that Vybz Kartel did not cause the murder of Lizard or murder Lizard himself? Remember, the evidence was not just off of the text messages alone, innit? It was off a witness statement too. And but the thing about it, let's not even discuss the evidence in a Vybz Kartel case, because the people, his followers and his true believers, you know, his cult believers, you know, because what Vybz Kartel has started in Jamaica was a cult, you know. His music has led him to be the leader of a violent cult. That people seem to believe that Vybz Kartel can do no wrong. And I can't believe that people even showed up at court. Really, waiting for the freedom of Vybz Kartel, waiting for the freedom of a man who's convicted for murder, waiting for the freedom of a man that has nothing positive to offer to the Jamaican society except his music and crime and violence. Except to lead the youths astray, to lead the youths to believe in crime and violence and believe in gunslinging and murders and gang and organized crime. What that? Listen, man. Vybz Kartel is one of the worms that is eating away at the very sanity of the Jamaican people, eating away the very importance of Jamaica, eating away the godliness in Jamaica. Because the man support nothing but evil and wrong and criminalism and crime and violence. Now, if sometimes me have to wonder what is some Jamaicans thinking? You think that I would be so ignorant or so fool to follow a man just because me like his music and believe in a man's innocence because me like his music? No, I listen to Vybz Kartel music, of course, most of them. To me, Vybz Kartel one of the baddest thing ever touched Jamaica, one of the most lyrical artists ever touched Jamaica. Of course, I'll give that to him. But I will also give this to him that he's one of the most violent artists ever touched Jamaica. Like some people, Jamaica, you see the thing with Jamaican people, no memory too short. Listen, let's talk about Sting. Every artist in Jamaica, most badman artists from Josie Whale, Shabba Ranks, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, the Indian day, where the Indian artist name again, the man, bad Indian artist, the name, I can't remember his name right now. See, Wild Apache, Mad Cabra, all of these artists, you know, used to clash with Ninja Man, you know, brethren. All of these artists used to clash with Ninja Man. And it was nothing but lyrical war and sting, and verbal war and sting. And yet, the only artist who come and sting come fight off Ninja Man physically was Vybz Kartel. And you see, from that day him do that, me lose every respect for the upcoming artist from right there. So I might still listen to his music, but nobody fought Ninja Man on stage except Vybz Kartel. You understand me? The lunacy of Vybz Kartel. You see me I say? The violent behavior of Vybz Kartel. You see me I say? The disrespect of Vybz Kartel to the Jamaican people and his own fans. He was the first artist to fight Ninja Man on stage. And from that, you notice I go on now. Every stage artist start fight now. Because what? That are the example of Vybz Kartel set for the people of Jamaica and the upcoming artists is there. You understand me? Secondly, Vybz Kartel, you know, apply for a license gun, you know, in a Portmore, and you never get no gun in a Portmore because the Portmore police know Vybz Kartel a criminal. So I say, where did Vybz Kartel get a gun? Vybz Kartel got his gun at Huntsville police station. And I remember that superintendent, Samuels, lost his job over Vybz Kartel's firearm. And the whole firearm thing was launched into investigation and then come the FLA. But how did even Vybz Kartel get gun at Huntsville from Mr. Samuels? Mr. Samuels was tricked. Mr. Samuels was tricked by another senior officer who introduced Vybz Kartel to him as a decent person. And on the basis of a friend to a friend, that is how Vybz Kartel was issued a gun by Mr. Samuels, because him and the other superintendent, Harry Bungles, were friends, and Harry Bungles was the one who told Mr. Samuels that this is a good man, he's a friend and a good man, can you give him a license firearm? That is how he got a firearm. And see, the man lost his job over that, not knowing who Vybz Kartel was, just by helping a friend. Understand? I know that through the whole firearm application thing in a disarray, because people who apply for them firearm couldn't get a firearm for years based off of the investigation, and all the files that went through police were seized. So that is Vybz Kartel. Everything him touch, he mash up. The man is a man who is Vybz Kartel is nothing but the destruction of Jamaica and the destruction of dancehall music. He might appear as if he might lift dancehall music because he's so lyrical. Yes, the man is talented. Behind a shadow of a doubt, he's the most talented artist ever existed in Jamaica. But at the same time, the man is the biggest troublemaker in Jamaica. The man is the biggest negative factor in Jamaica. And at the same time, the man has his 2 hands and his 2 feet. His whole entire body dabbling organized crime and dabbling crime and violence. And this is the man that one bag of people are run, with them lunacy are run down and follow and talk about free world boss, free rich world boss. Let me tell you something, man. A man me hear a man say how the Jamaican justice system is unfair and the Jamaican justice system is corrupt because they do not want to release Vybz Kartel. If the justice system had released Vybz Kartel yesterday, I would say the justice system was corrupt. Would have been corrupt. I know if him attorney go on like say him a kingpin, like him a the greatest attorney in the world. Chatterbox. Vybz Kartel attorney is not but a chatterbox. You understand me? Come and use the social media because that is what he's breathing off, that is his oxygen. The social media, if you use the social media to inveigle the people of Jamaica and inveigle the decision by the Jamaica justice system. But justice system, stand firm, Jamaica justice system, because this man need to go to prison. This man no need to walk free in Jamaica. This man, he need to plead guilty. And with time served come on, the justice system must not back down on Vybz Kartel. And let's see what is going to happen now that the appeal. This attorney is going to come with him chest high in the ear. Watch out now, with him showing off himself. Acting just like Vybz Kartel, as arrogant as ever. Come forward and talk about release. Release what? Release when? Release where? And release why? You not ask for bail. I say your face. I know say attorney ask for bail first, then they move to other things. You not ask for bail, you skip bail and ask about release. Or if you release man, or if you just come ask a release man who was properly convicted of murder. even though I agree with the decision of the Privy Council that the conviction needs to be overturned. Yes, me agree because of the jury situation. As being a police officer, we understand the jury situation and we understand where the law stand on that side. And I agree with the Privy Council. The decision was correct. And I also now agree with the judge in question now. The decision of the judge is correct to refuse from releasing Vybz Kartel until the matter is either set for retrial or Vybz Kartel is released. Your face still like about you're not even apply for bail. But you apply for free Vybz Kartel. No, listen man, it all blow up in your face and this case is a time bomb, you know. With your arrogance. I always thought you were a smart attorney. But no, I just realized how arrogant you are. It's that. Is that Buchanan? You understand me? Come on, like you take the Jamaica justice system and police investigation for farce. Like you want to tell the Jamaican people that police has no sense and that the Jamaica judicial system is null and void, and the Jamaican judicial system is a fool system, and the Jamaican judicial system and the judges in Jamaica have no sense, and like you are the smartest person in Jamaica. How dare you talk about you want Vybz Kartel to be free? Eh? How dare you? Free world boss. Eh? Free world boss from what? Kartel for dead at prison. As far as I am concerned, Kartel for dead at prison. The whole police arena knows the Kartel a criminal. The whole police and people in the area know too. That's why it's something, we're talking over and over again, So these people, they don't think about victims. They don't think about the family of victims. Well, Lizard never somebody too. His mother is not a person. They don't have feelings too. Eh? That is the thing. This is what is wrong with Jamaica. Oh my God. This is what is wrong with Jamaica. Once a man have a little money and a little fame, then feel that he cannot do no wrong. And then a lot of people jump on the wagon and support people like that even when they commit heinous crimes. It's like these people they cannot even come to the realization that a man was murdered and the possibility are that Vybz Kartel murdered the man. A matter of fact, the facts were that Vybz Kartel murdered the man. You know, go on like Vybz Kartel put out in a pot pound of fire at night time. Someone who are dead for hungry like dogs, but yet still not beat drums and a drool over Vybz Kartel's freedom. Like, how is it going to affect Unu? Unu still are hearing music from prison though. And it is going to be the same when him come out. Unu still are going to hear him music. You understand me? Not more. So make him turn a prison and we hear him music and enjoy the music. But that man should not be freed. That man is an instigator of crime and violence in Jamaica. That man is an instigator of negativity against government and against police. And I don't care what you want to say, because I can't tear off my clothes off of me because you look like Vybz Kartel a feed you and put on your clothes on fire and I pay on the rent. Him not do that for me. I don't want him to do that for me because I don't want man do nothing for me. Because I know people too cheap and licky. I know you Jamaican people, especially fans, gravitate to negativity too much. I gravitate to people and don't even care about their background and the things that they have done. I want to observe, You see things that come out about P. Diddy in America now. P. Diddy will be destroyed. There's no coming back for him. Film career done. And the same thing happened to Vybz Kartel. All the music he stop listening to. From him commit murder, if he things should have done right there. So. But you see the thing, that is the difference with Jamaica. Jamaica is one of the only countries on the face of the earth where you can come to with a background, with a criminal background, and sit in a parliament, be all prime minister too, and be heads, be all type of thing. Jamaica the only place where you can do that. Because Jamaica the only place where people does not care about the wrongs that you have done, but rather they care about how famous you are, how much money you are. And that is the culture that is circulating in Jamaica. That is the culture that Jamaicans are living now, the party type of life. That is the culture of Jamaica now, We lionize people because they are famous, because they have money. And even when they commit crime, we turn a blind eye to it. People are leading us, politicians are leading us, people are our prime ministers, and they are committing heinous crimes, and we are still allowing them to run in public office. You understand me? And this is the type of mindset that need to be stopped in Jamaica. If that not stop Jamaica, because Jamaica will get worse over the years. Jamaica will be like Somalia soon if we don't stop this kind of behavior. People in heads of government are criminals. We have entertainers who are criminals, and we still entertain them. We still believe in them, and we still believe that they can't do no wrong. And that is the type of person that Vybz Kartel. We are lionizing Vybz Kartel. You imagine that, people? We are lionizing Vybz Kartel for committing murder. We are lionizing Vybz Kartel for putting the Jamaican society in disarray. We are lionizing Vybz Kartel for supporting gunmen and supporting criminals and supporting criminal behaviors and murders. That is what, like what? So Vybz Kartel, because he's an artist and he's famous, he just do what he feels like. Cause whosoever he wants to be murdered, and murder whosoever he wants to be murdered. And he goes to court like Al Capone and he walks out. That is the type of behavior the Vybz Kartel him I exhibit now, the Al Capone behavior, and the only reason that these people can do these things and get away with it because Jamaican people are a bunch of bandwagonists and a bunch of lunatics. You understand me? Lunatics. And we say it again, lunatics. Because only a lunatic would have followed a man where cause people's death. And who are the catalyst? Who's the catalyst to crime and violence? Only lunatics. I tell you that. And I was a police officer. I mean, I support nothing with criminal. Because everything with criminal for their prison are dead. You see me I say? So I don't support nothing with criminal. As a matter of fact, me need to stop listening to Vybz Kartel music now too. Yes, man, for real. Because music is music, And if it good, it good. But if the man who create the music is doing crime and violence and killing people and all of these things, then why are we lionizing him? You see, the people in Jamaica, they do not, like one would say, they not read and they done some fool. And if you look, if you really look, and see who are Vybz Kartel followers, if you really look and see who is Dudu's followers, you will see there be a done some fool people. So this is a thing in Jamaica. Jesus. So this is a trend in Jamaica, Musicians, DJs like Vybz Kartel, pray and it done some fool people. Politicians, pray and it done some fool people. People who don't read and people who don't understand. People who just say, yeah man, free red bars, yeah man. People are tribalized. And that is the thing that is messing up Jamaica. People who are musically tribalized, politically tribalized, are criminally tribalized. And that a mash up Jamaica, imagine. So right now, I just hope that, this is my hope, that when he goes to the next week when he goes back to court, that the matter is set for retrial. Because I want to see the retrial, I need the retrial. I just hope that there is sufficient evidence for the retrial. Because behind a shadow of a doubt, we know that Vybz Kartel is guilty of murder. We know. But as a policeman, if technicalities arises, that he would have to be set free, then I will have to accept the technicalities as a policeman when they are explained to me, because I will understand the technicalities because I know how the technicalities work. Understand? So I will live with the decision of the court, even if the decision of the court it does not make me feel alive, because does not make me feel that it's the right decision. I feel that Vybz Kartel is guilty of murder, and God said Vybz Kartel should spend the rest of his goddamn life in prison. That is how I feel. And I believe that Vybz Kartel will be sent back to prison. So if his attorney know what a clock has strike, like I said before, you can't fight government. You can't fight the state. So if you know what go on, it's that you better make a deal. The time serve. Do one next 5 years and come out. And don't play cocky and arrogant and make your client go to prison. Because right now, fame you look. Yeah, social media can't set Vybz Kartel free. People who are walk past the street and talk about free world boss can't set Vybz Kartel free. And at the end of the day, only evidence can set Vybz Kartel free.